It's Tuesday. Welcome to the Bubba Show. Nice to see you again. And I did mention yesterday we have some numbers, and we've got durable goods, we've got consumer confidence numbers. Those could have some direct effect in the markets here. We also have housing numbers, which is now come out publicly in the news that the housing's okay now. And of course, we've been saying that on this show for over 5 or 6 weeks. So I don't really look at the housing numbers. I don't foresee any major damage. I don't see housing being an effect on what's going on here. I look to be housing to be fine. But confidence could be an issue, and durable goods could be an issue. Now, what I really want to talk about today was trading around the holidays. Last Tuesday night on the call, we talked about how to be cautious and careful about the holidays. And as we near closer to more holidays, and anytime you're in a holiday mode, know one thing for sure. Around holidays, typically, markets tend to drift. Why? We talk about dull markets. We talk about lack of volume. Those are all very important things. When you're trading, if you don't have volume to support a position, that's always a sign that you want to be more careful. Okay? Trading on holidays, we get bullish sentiment because typically markets, as I've said many times before, have a tendency to want to drift higher on their own. Why? Because typically there's more money to buy when coming in. There is money, always money from pension funds, from IRAs and things like that are always in to buy the markets, so they're looking. Then you get a market that gets a little away, you get a little bit of a short squeeze. So what happens is, on lighter volume markets, when you're around holidays, they tend to be a little bit more on the bullish side. Not always, there'll be times when they'll get cracked. But focus on the tech. When you know that volume is going to be lighter, it means that you should be a little bit lighter, and you should be watching your position and watching the stops you take. That's how you trade around holidays. Holidays are challenging because of the lack of volume and the lack of paying attention to technical levels, because they have a tendency to sometimes break through technical levels because there's nobody on the other side of the trade. And that's what happens. We talk about price discovery often on the show here. And price discovery is where people are willing to sell and where people are to buy and where they meet for the transfer of wealth. Well, typically what happens is buyers and sellers both step away. So if the market's going up, it will usually go up a little bit farther than it should. If it's going down, it usually go a little bit down farther because everybody knows. So people pull their offers away and people pull their bids away, makes the spreads wider. So trading on holidays, just be more careful when you're in the holiday mode. It's a tougher time to trade, and it makes it more challenging. Other than that, trade your normal way, be ready to go. Remember, Bubba's picks, still on fire, still doing well. Remember, the Bubba Show for Tuesday. Talk to you on Wednesday. Have a great day.